Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is cash flow statement. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is cash flow statement? A cash flow statement is a financial statement that shows how cash entered and exited a company during accounting period. Cash coming in and out of a business is referred to as cash flows, and accountants use these statements to record, track, and report these transactions. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is the definition of a cash flow statement. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.